Alright, this is the elevator at an apartment building in Harrisburg. It's a modernized Haughton. This thing does not sound very healthy. Then again, this elevator made the news about being broken for a long time. There's the old Haughton plate. So if you look up like broken elevator Harrisburg, you'll probably see this. Used to be manual doors. There's the Haughton elevator, Haughton AC elevator logo down there. Air freshener in here that's obviously not working because it smells really bad in here. 1,500 pounds. Call cancel. That's like brand new. Phone door. Yeah, it's sealed shut. There's no phone in here. At least one that doesn't work. Yeah, this unfortunately is a modernization, but it still has its charm. Building C. Alright, there it goes.